Use of this, that, these, and those. We use this, that, these, and those to point to people and things. This and these for our near objects, and that and those we use them for comparatively farther objects. This is a monster. These are monsters. These are near objects, that's why we use this and these with them. That is a monster and those are monsters are for relatively farther objects. Like we use them for the things which are not very near to us. We use this and these for things that are here. This is singular and these is plural. For example, this is my new watch. These are my sisters, Anna and Jenny. We use that and those for things that are there. That is singular and those is plural. That man is very strange. I need those boxes over there. These are a few of the examples. We can use this, that, these and those with a noun or without a noun. This watch is very expensive. I like that woman in the park. Who is that? What are those? Hope you enjoyed learning today.